What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn to create a Hangman game using ChatGPT, which will be based on Python. So let's get started. Simply open the ChatGPT and write a code for Hangman game using Python and press enter. So here we go. Based on the instruction given, ChatGPT will start writing the code for Hangman game using Python. So let's wait until the ChatGPT finish the final code for Hangman using Python. Okay, so finally ChatGPT has finished writing the code. So these are the code generated by ChatGPT, which is based on Python. So we'll just copy this code and then we'll create a new Python file. So just open the Python, and in the Python you go to the file, new file. So this is the code generated by ChatGPT for Hangman game, which is based on Python. So it will be based on predefined words. So we have included some predefined words as plants, longs, and kids to make it more simple and test it, right? So based on this predefined word, we'll play the Hangman game, right? So I have just made a modification here. So let's save this script as we have modified some word here, and now let's run this. So in order to run, just go to run and then run module. Okay, so here we go. So based on this code generated by ChatGPT, we have a Hangman game which is based on Python, right? So it's asking for a name. So enter your name. So let me enter my name. ChatGPT guide and press enter. Okay, so hello ChatGPT guide, best of luck. The game is about to start. Let's play Hangman game. Okay, so it's working fine, right? So let's guess for this game, right? Earlier we have included some words here: plants, longs, and kids, right? So let's guess for plants, longs, and kids, right? So let's guess for S. It may be S. It is included in every word here. So let's include the first alphabet as S. Okay, so it's the last one, right? So we have the plants, longs, and kids, right? So now let's guess for this word I. Okay, so it's working. So I think this guess is for the kids, right? KIDS. So let's guess for the another alphabet is K. Okay, it's working. So now final word, we have a kids, KIDS. So now let's guess for the word is next alphabet is D. Okay, so it's working. So this is the kids. Congratulations, you have guessed the word kids correctly. So in this way, earlier we have predefined word, and based on that word we just need to make a guess, right? So here we have successfully guessed, and now again let's test for these applications using another words, right? So I'll just go for S. So it's asking for, do you want to play a game again? So S and press enter. Okay, so now let's guess for another word which is not included in our script earlier in this Python, right? So I'll just guess for like O. Okay, so it's O. So it's asking for a wrong guess, 4 guess remaining, right? So we have inserted the wrong guess. So once we have a wrong input, so the first hanging part is included here, right? So it's saying wrong guess, 4 guess remaining, right? So again I'll just include the wrong guess here like Z. So it should be updated here, right? Okay, so it's updating. Okay, so it's working fine, right? So it's saying wrong guess, 3 guess remaining, right? So again we'll insert the wrong guess, and then this hanging part should be updated accordingly, right? So we'll include like J, so it's not included in our word. Okay, so it has updated here. So it was here, and now we have included the first next part for hanging. So it's saying wrong guess, 2 guess remaining. So we only have a 2 guess. So once we make a mistake for the 2 guess, so we'll be hanged here, right? So we'll include the next wrong guess as G. So we'll be saying that wrong guess, 1 guess remaining. Okay, so it's updated here. That means this game is working fine. Now finally let's include the last wrong guess here, like J. Okay, so now it should hang here. Okay, so it was earlier, it was here, and now we just inserted the wrong guess here. So this hanging part is updated, right? So this was that this application is working fine. So it's saying wrong guess, you have been hanged. Okay, so now do you want to play? Yes or no? So if you want to play, you can just use Y, and if you not, just use N and then terminate this program here.